Hello, hello. I hope you can see me. Hey, it's Saturday. Saturday. What day is Saturday? 16th. Saturday the 16th, 15th of June. Yeah, I'm sitting in my back garden. The rain has stopped. And I haven't spoken on camera for a while. I'm watching the birds here. Look, I'm under my little umbrella here in case it rains. The birdies are out. The birdies, see the birdies down there. They're on the feeders. They're eating their bread. Just to talk to you all. I'm fine. I remember last day, Saturday, about 1 o'clock, I had an epileptic seizure. Yeah, first one in a year. But see, I'm fine. Few aches and pains Monday and Tuesday. Went to work as normal. I won't be going to the match tonight, Waterford and Cove Ramblers. And behind me read this, hopefully we would have won that game. Whatever, I'll be updating. And listen to it on Radio DBSC. And if you haven't heard it live on Radio DBSC, there'll be for you for a rerun later on. So at 7:45 PM today. This is a general video. I'm supposed to be doing a raw review on Mr. Irish Fist, but I can't remember the password. For Nature Girl 30. It was a brilliant. I'll just do it here. It was a great raw. I'll have a say to this on me. Look, they're not my normal glasses. It was a great raw, comical raw with Triple H and the likes. Oh my God, what's going on? Oh, Triple H. Oh, yeah, I don't know. What a weird raw. And we had Cena and bloody Ryback at the end. Payback tomorrow night. Won't be ordering it live. I'll watch it on a stream or watch it the following morning on Daily Motion. Yeah, for free. It was way back 5 to 6 years ago. I used to order every pay-per-view and record them. Unmissable. So I'm out of my garden. It's a sunny day today. And just sent us all prayer for the 3 fishermen, the 3 Bulger brothers who passed away tragically Wednesday. The funeral they've now been buried. I imagine in the process of being buried. Let's see. Let's have a look what's happening in the garden anyway. Let's see. Birdies around, a few birdies there. Yeah, a few sparrows. I want to show you something now. Just do it now. I found this morning. Now, let's go. Bear with me now. Look. Up here now. Follow me. There she is, the blackbird nest. I'm not sure there's anything in it at the moment, but there it is. That's a blackbird nest. It's a nest of some kind anyway. We don't know whether it's eggs there or birds. Well, that's where it is anyway. You see a birdhouse. That's a rare bird. Look at that. I'm sitting down. Look, my 2 seats. I've been gardening, of course. I've been working away here. Little update. Oh, look at all the stuff. Hey, bird bats, swingy thing. The bike, mother's birthday. Got some planks there, so I won't step on the grass. Getting a shower put in as well. New shower put in. I'll show you that soon. So there I am, back on camera. Hi to Louie, hi to Joe Bro if you're watching this. Hi to Trudy Jess. Oh, I haven't watched a video today. Whoops. Well now. And that's it. I'm alive, fine, and just start getting a few rays, and the sun stops. I'm watching the birds eat the bread. General vlog here, how we doing for a while, 5 minutes long. Goodbye. Have a nice chuckle. And the bird's nest, the blackbird nest is up there. Full of laughter, full of joy at this Bedo boy, yeah.